Nagabintagi kubor ba man kasni paidbah subscribe ya uan.
And not admit my submission. So I would like to make a submission today, sir. Because every time, sir, we find that the executive often uses Sub Judice broadly to avoid embarrassment, avoid immediate accountability, and Ardent Basaiawmoit ulang bagajing jabas hoso kabajing yadai bagajing yadai paidbah doyong yadai baca jing yadai paidbah doyong jauh lakin tu yu speaker beralih baru bagajing yadai bantu pau so aro dah kebawa bagajing yadai begini kalau nak bagajing haji paidbah haji i paidbah haji lah kita cuba nanti kebalang bagajing jia solusi evidence in court merits and judicial findings. However, sir, we can discuss on administrative failure, policy lapses, and government negligence, and also preventive measures. So, sir, I feel that the executive should not hide itself under this provision of Sub Judice. So, I feel that whatever happened in East Giant-Hills is a matter of serious concern, that all the members of this house should be given a chance to deliberate this issue. So if you allow, then I think it will be for the benefit of the people of the state. People of the state, they are watching, they want to know exactly what led to that unfortunate incident and the matter surrounding his illegal extraction of coal in the states.
I have also received this Sub Judice and cannot be pending at the court of law. Cannot be discussed. So accordingly, I have taken this decision based on rule number
6. Submission. So I would like to make a submission to this, sir. Because every time, sir, we find that the executive often uses Sub Judice broadly to avoid embarrassment, avoid immediate accountability, and to delay political debate. So, according to Article 194, powers and privileges of the state legislature. And as a legislature, we have the freedom of speech within the House and power to discuss matters of public importance. And even courts themselves, repeatedly held that legislative discussion is not barred merely because a case is pending. So, sir, unless it directly interferes with adjudication. So, sir, there are few areas which we are not supposed to be allowed to discuss, and there are some areas that we are supposed to be allowed. So, we know that we cannot discuss guilty.
Submissions which are very relevant for the purpose of protecting the interests of the state. Now, this particular instant case, which is recent in nature, and the responsibility of the authorities to take cognizance of this kind of illegality when it comes to the notice of the authorities. Refer to the section 21 of the MMDR Act 1957. It should have been separately tried by the government. So I would only say that in the instant case, the government should petition the Honorable Court that this case should be dealt with separately. Otherwise, every instances of these such incidents of illegality is being clubbed under one PIL. So I would not like to refer to the PIL, but the instant case requires separate to take cognizance of this illegality separately. And maybe the government should petition the Honorable Court and accordingly proceed with a separate case. Otherwise, there will be no end to the adjudication process itself. It will itself be considered as a modus operandi to create a delay in the whole adjudication process.